But all the way up. To all my beautiful people, hello. I hope all is well. I hope you're beautifully well today. It's been a minute, but I thought that I would just come back. We're just winding things down. Summer is about to be over, and of course, I love fashion and all of that, so I thought I would just share this clip with you. And yeah, I'm just so happy to, be back. And yeah, so I just want to share these few little things with you, stick my neck in, and I might dip back out. But hello, hey. So I wanted to wear this dress at first, but I did not. So this is my earrings. These are so pretty. And this is a blouse that I wore. This is what I wore to a baby shower. And then I just kept on my regular jewelry and stones that I always wear. Which I need to really clean them. This little watch. Yep. And I felt like, I was covered up, and I just thought it was so cute. So that was my little outfit that I wore to a baby shower in summertime and all of that. So yeah. I can't really see my own stuff like when I step back. But, and I had already shared this, but I feel like I don't know, just when I gain weight, all my weight, it just goes to my hips, and so, but yeah, I thought this was cute. And I didn't spend too much, but the most expensive thing that I'm wearing is my watch. Okay? So that's pretty much it. And my earrings are just little things, but yeah, that's it. It's the end of the day. I'm going to de-roll, take all this off, and so yeah. All right, shout out to all the beautiful people that decided to bless me on my B-Day. Yep, Virgo season, all of that, all of that, all of that. Yep. So shout out, shout out, shout out. So as you can see, just being big blessed, and because that's what I am, and yeah, so I'm just so grateful and thankful. So yeah, that's just all I can say. But I do just want to just get on ahead in this room and give it a little sprucing up, because that's what's needed. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So if you had not noticed, I hope you had, but if you hadn't noticed, I'm just a, girly girl type of girl. And yeah, let it reflect itself. And that's just some paintings that I painted. And yeah, so, I'm just in a happy-go-lucky mood. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, just big chilling, taking things and checking them off my list. And that's just what I'm on right now, just propelling and moving to newer heights. Okay, so I'm back. I just wanted to bless you with my presence. And yeah, so that's what I'm on. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And whatever comes next, like, share, subscribe, all of that. So I'm just going to let the music rock out, and I'll catch you on the next one.